Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Wealth with Blessing. So many of you have told me, I want to start my YouTube channel, but I don't know how to make my first video. I'm shy, I don't have good equipment, and I feel stuck. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first YouTube video in 2026, even if you're camera shy or have zero fancy gear. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to record and upload your very first video this week. Let's make it simple and stress-free. Hey friends, starting a video can feel scary, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Just write down 3 to 5 main points you want to share. Then, speak like you're talking to a friend. It's that simple. In 2026, AI tools can help you turn bullet points into a natural-sounding script in seconds. Pro tip, keep your first video short, and 5 to 8 minutes is perfect. If you're camera shy, try these tricks. Record in small sections, speak to an imaginary friend, or even start with voiceover only and add simple visuals later. Record in sections and hit simple with free or low-cost apps, CapCut or YouTube's own editor. Add clear subtitles, background music, and simple text overlays for your main points. See? Editing is simple. Don't over-edit. Your audience wants your personality more than Hollywood-level production. A clean, honest video wins every time. So here's step 3, adding simple icons and a subtitle. Step 4, create a thumbnail and title that get clicks. Use a clear photo of your face with a warm smile and bold text. This grabs attention and drives clicks to your video. In the description, add timestamps and a friendly call to action, then hit a traveler. So my dear friend, making your first YouTube video is much simpler than most people think. You don't need perfect lighting, expensive equipment, or to be outgoing. You just need to start with what you have and improve as you go. Your voice, your story, and your knowledge matter. Someone out there is waiting for exactly what you have to offer. If this video gave you confidence, please like it, subscribe for more beginner-friendly creator tips. I'm making my first video this week. Take care.